Welcome to Bike Zone, your trusted source for the latest updates from the world of bikes, cars, and unique vehicles. Today, we bring you a detailed look at the Bajaj Qute 2025, a compact and innovative quadricycle designed for the future of urban mobility. Compact urban design. The Bajaj Qute 2025 continues its legacy as the smallest four-wheeler on the roads, built to tackle congested city traffic. With its compact body, lightweight structure, and easy maneuverability, it is ideal for short-distance travel and daily commutes in busy cities. Engine and performance. Powered by a fuel-efficient 216 cubic centimeters engine, the Qute delivers practical performance while keeping running costs extremely low. The 2025 model maintains its dual-fuel compatibility with both petrol and CNG options, ensuring eco-friendly driving and excellent mileage. Comfort and practicality. Inside, the Qute offers seating for 4 passengers with improved ergonomics compared to earlier versions. The 2025 update adds better upholstery, enhanced ventilation, and a slightly more spacious cabin, making it comfortable for city rides while staying practical and affordable. Safety and features. Though minimalistic, Bajaj has equipped the Qute with safety essentials like seat belts, reinforced body design, and improved suspension. The 2025 model also gets an updated digital instrument cluster and improved storage space for daily needs. Conclusion. The Bajaj Qute 2025 is not a luxury car, but a smart, cost-effective, and eco-friendly mobility solution. Perfect for urban families, delivery businesses, and shared transport, it continues to stand as a unique alternative between a bike and a car.